welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEmystyle. And in today's video, I thought we would talk about some timeless and elegant home decor. And it's going to be a little different. I have done a timeless and elegant home decor video in the past, and I've taken you around my home and I've showed you pieces that I think, in my humble opinion, are timeless and elegant. And if you missed any of those videos, I will leave links for those down below in the description box, as well as in the iCards above. We'll be talking about lighting and finishes, plants. So if that is something you're into, I hope you will hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. I love decorating on a budget with style and trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that's something you're into, well, you've come to the right channel. So the first thing we're going to talk about today are plants. I think plants are timeless and elegant. They bring a sense of life and freshness to your home. It just elevates it to a whole new level. And that's why I think it's timeless and elegant. You'll see plants in different style planters. They could be cement, they could be brass or gold or black, anything that fits your style. You can bring and incorporate plants into your home to just elevate it up a notch. The next thing that I think is timeless and elegant are finishes. Guys, there are so many finishes in the world, but the ones that I think are timeless and elegant that will never go out of style are anything that's wood, anything that is gold or brass in color, silver, anything that's silver toned. I don't think it will ever go out of style. And marble. Marble is another finish that I think is absolutely timeless and elegant, and it will never go out of style. The next thing that I think is timeless and elegant are lighting, or is lighting. Anything like a lighting fixture or lamps, anything glass or brass. Those lighting fixtures I think are timeless and elegant, and they will never go out of style. You can put them up in your home and they would be relevant today and even 10 years from now. So that is one of the reasons why I like lighting, and I think it is so timeless and elegant. Next on the list is artwork. I think artwork is timeless and elegant, especially something that is black and white in nature, or something that may have a little bit of gold to it, your grays, your silvers, anything that is modern or classic, like Grecian statues or pop culture. I think all of that is timeless and elegant. The next thing that I think is timeless and elegant, and of course you guys know this is my absolute favorite thing, is anything black and white. Black and white is just so sophisticated, so refined, so glamorous to me, modern, elegant. It will never go out of style, and that is why I decorate in black and white in my home. And I just love the look and the feel that it gives to my home. I absolutely love it. So I hope you have enjoyed my tips on how to decorate in timeless and elegant decor. This video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by the Timeless Elegant Decor Club. Our host is Allie from Glam Elegant Living. Her co-host is Petal from Petal is Blessed, Bree from Bree's Project Book, and myself, Cheryl from iStylEmystyle. This is an open collaboration that we co-host with Allie seasonally, where we ask you to show and feature 3 to 5 pieces of timeless and elegant home decor. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and it has inspired you in your home decorating. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget and while trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you're into, I hope that you would hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below, as well as the link of the playlist. Make sure you go check out everyone's videos, and I hope to see you in the next one.